guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Janabel, or Jennybel if you're Dominican. And today's video, honestly, I'm shooketh. Is that what the kids say nowadays? Shooketh. Like, I made my very first designer purchase. I don't know if my vacation vlog is gonna go up before this or after this, but yeah, I bought a bag, a designer bag, and I still can't believe it, to be honest. I'm still like trying to compute that I spent that amount of money on a fucking bag. But I feel like it feels so surreal. Like, I know it's not all about material things, it's not all about what you have, but I know that I work hard. Like, I worked fucking hard for this money, and I've been so nonstop since June, since this entire year, to be honest. My life has changed quite drastically compared, like, from last year to this year. So I wanted to treat myself, and I honestly feel bad for other YouTubers and influencers that have to give this kind of disclaimer, but I guess I'll give one because I don't want to make you guys think that I'm all about the coin and showing off all the shit that I got. So, disclaimer right here. It ain't all about the money, and I worked really, really hard to get this bag. It ain't all about material possessions. I'm not showing off. If you don't care that I got this bag, don't watch this video. Like, just don't do it. Don't do it. And I also did a poll on Instagram if y'all's, I don't even know where this is going, if it's gonna end up on Instagram or if it's gonna end up on YouTube, but I did a poll on Instagram, and like, mad of y'all's voted yes, that you wanted to see this unboxing, so here I am. And let's get on with it. So I went to the store. Oh, I'm in Fort Lauderdale, in case you haven't, again, I don't know what is going, I can't talk today, but I don't know what's going up first, either the vlog or this video. I'm in Fort Lauderdale on vacation. I'm staying at the Cirque Hotel here in Hollywood, Florida. And yeah, I went to the Aventura Mall, which is freaking huge. Like, that's the biggest mall that I've ever been in, and I got lost repeatedly. Yeah, it was just, I was going around in circles, just, you know, wasting time. I watched Hustlers too. That movie was like meh. It was alright, not what I expected. But yeah, if you watch Hustlers, like, let me know what you thought of that movie. Just, I'm curious. But yeah, I stopped by the Yves Saint Laurent store, and they were really nice there. Like, they were super nice. I think the guys that helped me were Miguel and Dennis. They were super sweet. They helped me make the decision. I honestly, like, just to give you a little background, I never had like a dream bag that I was dying to have. Like, I never saw a bag that I was like, yo, that's the first bag that I'm gonna buy. So I honestly went into like all the designer stores, and I was just fishing around. And the day before, I was watching a bunch of YouTube videos like, oh, my first designer bag, or what you should consider before purchasing a designer bag, you know, those kinds of videos. And yeah, I was like, you know what, like, I'm just gonna go to the mall with a clean slate, you know, somewhat of a budget, and just see what I find most practical. Because my thing was, I really wanted a versatile bag that I can dress up or down. I didn't want anything too dressy. I didn't want anything too casual that, like, I can only use for like one type of occasion, because it's my first purchase. Like, this gonna be my everyday bag now, because I spent way too much damn money to just, you know, have it like in a corner in its duster bag looking all like untouched and unscathed and all that shit. Like, no, ain't nobody got time for that. Y'all about to see this bag in every of my Instagram pictures and in the streets. I'm gonna be wearing this bag all the time. But yeah, Miguel and Dennis were super helpful. They helped me find like basically the perfect bag that I never knew I needed. And the funny thing is, before I walked into Yves Saint Laurent, I was at Nordstrom, and I went to the Yves Saint Laurent like section, and there was this other guy there. Oh, I forgot his name, but he was so nice too. And he was telling me, like, I asked him, like, what brand do you think would be the best brand to go with for my first designer bag? And he immediately said YSL. He was just like, they have timeless bags, they're durable, and you know, they're timeless. Like, there's no doubt that the bag that he showed me, which was the bag that I got, you know, it's gonna be in style 10. Well, not in style, but like a classic bag. Like, that's what I wanted. I didn't want something trendy like the freaking Dior saddle bag. I didn't want like the Gucci Dionysus bag. Like, I wanted something that was timeless, that when I'm like 40, I can whip out and be like, you know? Or if my future daughter wants to use my bag, I could be like, alright, maybe, depends, nah, yeah, whatever. We're not there yet. But yeah, I'm talking a lot. I should just start this unboxing, huh? Alright, so I went to the store. It came in this giant bag right here. They gave me champagne. I was like, oh, I guess I really am doing this. They gave me the champagne already. No takesies, backsies. And, oh my god. Alright, it comes, they put it in a box for me. Oh, fuck. Almost lost the receipt there. I'll tell you how much it costs too. I don't care. I don't care about prices. I'm gonna tell you how much it costs. And yeah, let's see. All right, so I don't even know how people do unboxings, honestly, but we'll just open it right here. Right. Oh my god, I suck at this. Wait, okay, maybe there's a better way of oh, okay. Y'all, just put up with my trial and error, okay? Just love me for who I am, the messy girl that I am, okay? Oh my god, do you see how dirty my socks got on this freaking balcony? Ah! Alright, so I hope this is a good angle. Yeah, we're just gonna go with yes. I am not delicate whatsoever. Don't mind me. Alright, it comes in this dust bag. Are y'all's ready for the reveal? Here she is. Here she is. My new baby. Like, I literally can't believe it. This is like one of their newest bags too. I should probably like turn this over now, right? Yeah, let's do that. All right. Back in action, you heard. But yes, this is my new baby. It serves as a top handle bag and then has the strap. So I wanted something, well, I already told y'all that. I wanted something versatile that I could just wear, you know, a night out, but that I could also wear. I'm still getting used to this closure. Like, having a moment. But yeah, I wanted something that I could wear with a suit. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, I love trousers. Wow, my hair, I can't. It's drying, okay? Just bear with me. It's gonna look a little wonky. But yeah, so I wanted something that I could wear with trousers. As you've probably seen on my Instagram, I'm obsessed with trousers, suits, just pants. Like bottoms are my favorite. So I wanted something that I could wear with that, but if I wanted to wear jeans and like a turtleneck, or if I wanted to wear like track pants and like a sweatshirt, sling this over and like boom, it's casual, like ready to go. Like this is what I wanted. And I never thought my first bag would be a YSL bag, but here I am. And the best part about it is that, well, one of my favorite things about it is that it has a little like back pocket, so I can just put my phone in there. I can put my phone in there. I don't know, like why else would I need, ooh, my keys, you know, like just slip it right in there. I ain't gotta even open the bag. Then I also like, this is one of their newer bags, like I said. So they just started introducing their new like logo closure. So yeah, opens like that, and then I guess I'll take the stuffing out. Maybe I should keep it. Oh, I love the smell of new leather. Like, you guys don't understand. Leather is my favorite material. So just smells so good. But it has like a burgundy lining. Can you see that? Can you see that? And you'll see how roomy this is. Like, I can fit my camera. I can fit, oh, also, got a new camera. Yeah, I'm filming on my new Sony a6400. That fits in here along with the mic that I use. What else? I have a portable fan. I should probably like put this bag down now. Okay, I put it in the box. But it fits like my portable fan. It fits my big wallet, which I think my next designer purchase is gonna be a card holder, because I'm kind of tired of having a large wallet. Because then I end up like taking out my credit card, my debit card, my ID, and then I put it in a slot. And I feel like that's a little risky, you know? Like, what if I just fling my bag and it falls out and boom, like my stuff is gone. So I want a card holder to just hold everything. And I barely, if ever, carry cash. So that wouldn't be like a problem for me. Yeah, so yeah, I think my next purchase is gonna be a, this floor is so dirty. Anyways, my next purchase is definitely gonna be a card holder. But yeah, what's the name of this bag? Did I even freaking say? Let me get the receipt. I'm such a horrible influencer, YouTuber person. Like, who even am I? This is the all right. So I don't see the name of the bag, but I'm just gonna put it like right here, and you'll see the name of the bag. Because that's how impulsive this purchase was, y'all. Like, like I told y'all, I didn't know what bag I was gonna get. I just wanted to look. I didn't expect to look at a bag and be like, like, that's it, you know? But that's what happened. So yeah, that's the name of the bag. And it cost me $2,350 plus tax. It came up to $2,514.50. Yeah, that's mad bread, but I earned it. I made it, and I spend it how I please. Okay. Okay. Nah, but I'm really happy with my purchase and no regrets over here. I can't wait to start building my designer collection, if I'm even gonna be one of those people. I don't even know yet. Honestly, if something catches my eye, like, I'm the kind of person that's like, all right, I'm getting it, let's go. You know? So who knows if that'll happen to me like it did with this bag, but we'll see. Oh, fuck. We'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. And thanks again for all the support that you give me, for keeping up with my journey and stuff like that. I know I don't post on YouTube as much, but I'm really active on Instagram if you want to follow me there. And yeah, I'm just grateful for where I am in my life right now. Just, my journey has been insane, and I can't wait to see what God has in store for me next year and the years to come. So yeah, talk to you guys soon, and till the next video. Bye guys.